Welcome 8th grade students. Mr. Brennan here to explain our Canva assignment. We're going to go to Canva, which I have linked on the dashboard. We're going to create a poster. Okay, just click on the poster tab, and then we are creating a Venn diagram talking about the differences between the continental crust and the oceanic crust. So Venn diagrams have circles. We're going to use circles. We're going to use the elements, shapes. We're going to select the circle. We can copy and paste it. That way we have identical sized circles. Okay, if we want to change the color of them, we select the circle, click on the color box up here, and you can choose whatever color that you would like. Okay, I'm going to use the light gray. And then to add our text, we got to label each of our circles. So this one will be the continental. You have to shrink the font. And then we're going to add a heading. Oceanic. Make sure that they're the same. Okay. And then we can add a subheading in here. That gives us our text box. And then we're just adding features that we found to fill in about the continental crust and then the oceanic crust, fill those in, and then where they cross, that's where we will use them, that they both share those commonalities with that. You can modify them, make them look nice, add pictures. It is up to you. You are the artist with this.